Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 42. Given that x squared plus y squared equals 4 and x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y equals negative 4, then x plus y equal. So this question is really straightforward, right? So we have x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y that equal negative 4. And also, we have the fact that x squared plus y squared that equal 4. Now, what they're asking for this is x plus y equal what? Numbers, right? So, you see that we have the x squared right here plus y squared, right? Here we have x squared plus y squared, and we know that values is 4. That's given, right? That is 4. That's given. So this one is 4, so I rewrite this one as 4 minus 4x minus 4y equal negative 4. So we noted that we have 4 here. For the first term is 4 times 1, right? We have 4 times x here. We have 4 times y here. So 4 is like the common factor, so we take 4 out. 4 times 1, take 4 out, we have 1 left. 4 times x, negative 4x, right? We take 4 out, we have minus x. Negative 4y, we take 4 out, we have negative y left. And then on the right hand side, still negative 4. You see the part that I take out is 4 right here. We left with 1 because 4 times 1 is 4, right? So we take only 4 out, so we left everything inside the parenthesis, just the factor 4. Alright? Now we will divide both sides by 4. Why we divide both sides by 4? So we can just open the parenthesis, right? This 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 multiplied by anything is that thing. Like a times 1 is a. A divided by 1 is a. Always keep it in mind, okay? So that cancel is 1. So we open the parenthesis. We have 1 minus x minus y that equal negative 1. So let's move the numbers 1 to another side, right? So we will minus 1 both sides. So this gone. On the left side, we still have minus x minus y that equal minus 2. It's almost there. Now we just need to multiply both sides by negative 1. So negative 1 times x is positive x, negative 1 times y is positive y, and then negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. So the right answer is 2, is B. In this step right here, we can also, if we not like multiply by negative 1, we can also have negative x minus y equal negative 2, right? We can take negative 1 out. So this one is like -1 times x minus 1 times y, and -1 is in common, so we take it out. Okay, I will highlight the common factor here is -1, and this is -1. So what left inside the parenthesis will be x plus y, okay, equal -2. Then you can multiply both sides by -1, or you can divide both sides by -1. It will be the same, right? So this one is cancelled. So we left with x plus y equal -2 divided by -1. Negative divided by negative is positive. 2 divided by 1 is 2. It's the same answer, okay? Also, we can also plug in, okay? So it's kind of take more time, right? So if we have x plus y is 2, when you see in this case, you can take out the -4, x plus y, write this step, that part, right? Then you have 4 right here, that equal -4, okay? This one is given. Then you just kind of like take out 4, the same thing, right? So the same concept. Just like which one you want to do first. But they will give you the same answer. So 4 minus 4, x plus y equal -4. So if I subtract 4 both sides, I cancel that one. I have -4 times x plus y, that equal -8. Then I divide both sides by -4. This one cancel. You have left with x plus y, that equal 2. Still have the same answer. Just making sure when you divide both sides or multiply both sides, be careful of the parentheses. When you factor out something, making sure recheck it. For example, if I'm doing this step, I will recheck it at if it 4 times 1 is give me 4 again. If it 4 times -x give me -4x again. If 4 times -y give me -4y again. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.